Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and to be on the PC where Bitlocker is enabled. First, open Control Panel and go straight to System and Security, then Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Once there, locate the encrypted drive, for example C, or an attached external disk, and confirm it shows as Bitlocker on. This step begins the actual process. Make sure any important files are saved. You're starting the disable action now, because Bitlocker must be turned off from this control panel view. Click Turn off Bitlocker for the selected drive and confirm that you want to decrypt. You'll be asked for the account password or the recovery key. Enter the correct key to authorize decryption. Once started, Bitlocker begins to decrypt sectors. This can take minutes to hours depending on drive size and speed, so make sure the PC stays powered and connected. If it's a laptop, plug in the AC adapter. This avoids interruptions that could leave the drive partially encrypted. Once decryption completes, the status and control panel will show Bitlocker off or fully decrypted. Confirm by accessing files normally. Restart the PC to ensure no residual locks or unexpected prompts remain. If the drive still asks for a key or decryption fails, don't panic. Locate your Bitlocker recovery key, printed, saved to your Microsoft account, or on a USB. If needed, run Manage BDE commands as an administrator to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.